Are you having trouble finding a gift for the meditator in your life, that special someone that just deserves the absolute best? Well, don't worry, Kai Valentine's here for you, and I'm going to give you my top 5 favorite things that I really love and I couldn't do without in my meditation life. I mean, of course I can do without everything, because really with meditation, you just need yourself. But this stuff helps a lot, right? So I got 5 amazing things that are low cost that you can buy for the meditator in your life. And if it's just for you, I won't tell anybody.
Treat yourself.
Okay, and all the links will be at the bottom below, and if you do decide to purchase one of these products, please use one of those links. It does support the channel, and I really appreciate you. So before we get into that, my name is Kai Valentine, and if you're looking to speed up your manifestation process using the law of attraction, I highly suggest subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell notification to be notified of more videos, because I can help you get your desire, basically. Still, I cannot get this intro right, guys. I cannot get it. So let's get right into it, okay? So the top 5 things that I would give to a meditator, because I meditate every day for 24 minutes, sometimes up to 3 times a day. I can't live without my meditation. So the first thing that I would suggest is the first thing on my desk. Well, there's 2 things on my desk, but this is a Himalayan rock salt lamp, okay? I love this thing. I adore it. It doesn't have a smell. It's you'll know it's a good one apparently if it sweats a little bit, and if you touch it, it's kind of wet, I guess. It's I don't know, it's weird, but it was a gift to me, and I honestly use the crap out of this thing. I not only use it for meditation, but I also use it as a nightlight for when I'm reading and the girlfriend is trying to get some sleep, okay? Because I read at night. So the Himalayan rock salt is an amazing gift, and it can be used if you have all the lights off in your apartment or your house, and you just want a simple, calming light while you do your meditation. But not only that, there are benefits to having this on, okay? The benefits include balanced electromagnetic radiation, cleanses and deodorizes and purifies the air, calms allergies and reduces asthma, which I have, and alleviates coughing and other symptoms of the common cold, boosts blood flow, raises energy levels, that's important, and sharpens concentration and performance, and enhances mood. You can't afford not to get this weird rock lamp thing. Plus, it's just a quirky gift to give someone. You know what I mean? It's just fun, and it's very useful, very small, and it's appropriately priced. It's $16 on Amazon for limited time, which is perfect for the Christmas season. So my next thing on the list is this right here, the Now water vapor. What is this thing called again? I use the crap out. This is probably the thing I use the most. Yeah, it's a bamboo oil dispenser, oil diffuser, not dispenser. Yeah, dispenses oil. No, so you put a little bit of water in there. I don't know if you can tell. It's got a LED light which changes colors. It's very pretty, very soothing. Goes perfect with the Himalayan rock salt lamp. I turned it off because it was so freaking strong I couldn't breathe, but I'll turn it on now for you guys. Yeah, I think you see. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh! Yeah, you get high off that stuff, I'm sure. I don't even know if that was healthy that I did that, but hey, I am high on life, am I right? Okay, so we're going to get right into the next one, but guys, I highly suggest this, and what I use with it is Lavender by Now. Yes. It's amazing. It's great for calming. And if you want to raise your happiness, you want to use a citrus, like lemon. And what I do is I'll just mix them, and I'll do 5 drops of lavender and 5 drops of lemon into the diffuser with lukewarm water, and boom, you have this, and it fills up an entire living room with lavender smelling. So if you have friends coming over, if you just want to chill out, if you're meditating, this is the perfect gift. It's like $24 on Amazon. An amazing gift, perfect for white elephant, whatever. So let's get into the next one, right? And it's probably obvious that I love beads, okay? I was gonna make a bad joke there. This show's not for kids, people. So I don't go anywhere without my mala beads, M-A-L-A beads, and I'm gonna show you the company where I got this bad boy from. This is Authentic Tiger's Eye, which is for abundance and clarity of mind, reducing anxiety, and financial prosperity. But they have so many others. The company is called Meru Beads, M-E-R-U. They have rose quartz, which is for self-love. They have obsidian for strength and empowerment. They have clear crystal, which I'm getting for my mom because she has chronic back pain, which the law of attraction is helping, by the way. And yeah, so And it's fun too, because once you give the gift of these marrow beads to someone, like, well, here, these are, I picked this out specifically for you. Not only because it's beautiful, you know, it could be green, blue, red, pink, sandalwood is on there. And you say, I got it specifically for you because I thought you would really enjoy having these qualities, or you already have these qualities and these will just enhance them even more. Guys, you can get creative with marrow beads, and these are more expensive. I think these are the most expensive thing on the list. These are $45. I'm getting one for each member. Oh crap, I hope they don't watch this video. Well, I'm getting one for each member in the family, and it's crazy because the website has the specific qualities that I want for each person. Amazing. Highly recommend marrow beads. And the next thing on our list is, these right here, these bad boys. These are Thai fishing pants. Let me get out so I can show you. I meditate in these bad boys. Stop shaking. I meditate in these bad boys, and they're super comfortable, and I'm pretty sure my girlfriend thinks I'm weird, but I also go into public like this because they're so freaking comfortable. The only bad thing is if a little kid runs by and grabs one of this, well, you know, grabs one of the strings, they're in for a wild surprise what's under here. So yeah, these are very easy to tie, and they come with a big pocket. Come on. Big pocket, which you can put your beads into. Super cool. Highly recommend the Thai fishing pants. They're like, I think either $10, $20 max online. And if they get old, they're so cheap you can just easily repair them. But it's a very thoughtful gift, something that they're not probably going to buy for themselves. So let's see. We have the Himalayan rock salt light. We have the diffuser. We have the beads. We have the pants. And now, something that they will expect. This is the last on my list, but I have a bonus for you. A bonus one you probably haven't thought about that would be great for a get this out of my face. That would be great for a meditator. But before that, you have to get a candle, a meditation candle. And you don't need any, here comes my cat. You don't need anything crazy. I have this one called Lotus Love Beauty, and I have tons of other, I think she's attracted. This is Monkey, everybody. I have tons of other meditation candles. I'm going to go through and smell each one, and I'll link below my absolute favorite one, and the one that I believes that gets me into the deepest form of relaxation. And it's usually something lavender, but I also enjoy coconut. So I'll link down below my favorite candle, especially, I don't believe Lotus Love Beauty makes these anymore, but I wanted to show you this one because it's so small. And that one you can take with you places, right? Because I'm always meditating on the go. I'm going to hotels and stuff like that. So a small candle like this, I mean, you don't have to get this off Amazon. You can go to your whatever shop that's local, but I'll still link down below my favorite candle. The last thing on this list is something you probably didn't think about, and that is massage oil. Yep, massage oil is an amazing gift for a meditator, especially if it is your loved one, because then you can surprise them on Christmas Day with their own back massage, right? You can rub their shoulders, rub their back. Calm down, Kai. But yeah, this is Lemongrass and Ginger by Shea Moisture, and I will link that down below. Guys, that is it for this video. These are my top 5 favorite things, plus a bonus for the special meditator in your life. I'm Kai Valentine. Please remember to hit that subscribe button if you're wanting to learn more about the law of attraction, how to speed up your manifestation. Check out my other videos, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. I love you all, and I'll see you next time.